jungle where the sun meets the sky. A bird spreads its wings so free, it flies so high, with colors like the sunrise, vibrant and so rare. The bird of paradise dances floating through the air. Feathers like the rainbow, glowing bright and true. Every move a story painted shades of blue. In the winds of freedom it glides so gracefully, a symbol of beauty, wild and endlessly. Oh, bird of paradise, you soar so high. Your wings, the heavens light up the sky. With every beat you bring the world alive, a dance of wonder where dreams survive. Through the trees you shimmer with a mystic glow, a symphony of colors in every feather's flow. The jungle hums your melody, the earth joins your song. In your flight we feel the magic where we all belong. Just like the rainbow, glowing bright and true. Every move a story painted shades of blue. In the winds of freedom it glides so gracefully, a symbol of beauty, wild and endlessly. Oh, bird of paradise, you soar so high. Your wings, the heavens light up the sky. With every beat you bring the world alive, a dance of wonder where dreams survive. Through the trees you shimmer with a mystic glow, a symphony of colors in every feather's flow. The jungle hums your melody, the earth joins your song. In your flight we feel the magic where we all belong. Oh, bird of paradise, you soar so high. In your wings, the heavens light up the sky.